Next, y equal to x into tan x by 2, x into tan x by 2. Then show that 1 plus cos x into dy by dx minus sin x. Find its value. So y in the form of u into v, x into tan x by 2, uv formula. So dy by dx u dash v plus v dash u. Dy derivative of x value 1 into dy by into x by tan x by 2. There is tan function, x by 2 function. Derivative of tan x secant square x by 2. Derivative of x by 2 1 by 2. This x is this one. So actually dy by dx is over. So multiply dy by dx with 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x into dy by dx. This is in the form of 1 plus cos a. 1 plus cos a. 1 plus cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cos square a by 2 tan x by 2 plus x by 2 into secant square x by 2. Multiply with this term 2 cos square x by 2. Tan means sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 square cancel. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 sin a formula. Next, multiply these two terms. 2 cos square x by 2. This x by 2 is this one. Secant square means 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square x by 2. These two cancel. Cos square x by 2, cos square x by 2 cancel. So remaining letter is plus x. Plus x. So he wants minus sin x. So bring this one into LHS. Therefore 1 plus cos x into dy by dx plus sin x becomes to minus sin x equal to x. Equal to x. Once again listen. Apply uv formula. U dash v, v dash u. Derivative of x value 1. Derivative of tan secant square. Derivative of x by 2 1 by 2. This x is this one. Multiply with 1 plus cos a. 1 plus cos a formula 2 cos square a by 2. Write this one as stays. This one as stays. Multiply with this one 2 cos square x by 2. Tan means sin by cos. Secant square means 1 by cos square. So 2 cancel. Cos square cancel. 1 cos cancel. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 equal to sin a. This plus x is this one. Bring this one into LHS. Plus sin x becomes 2 minus sin x. Next. Seventh bit. D by dx of x plus 1, x square plus 1, x power 4 plus 1, x power 8 plus 1 equal to given 15 x power p minus 16 x power q plus 1 into x minus 1 whole power minus 2. Find p and q. Find p and q. So take LHS. First simplify this one. Multiply and divide with x minus 1. Multiply and divide with x minus 1. All of you listen. D by dx of x minus 1 by x minus 1. Multiply with this term. Multiply and divide into x plus 1, x square plus 1, x power 4 plus 1, x power 8 plus 1. These two, d by dx of x square minus 1, x square plus 1, x power 4 plus 1, x power 8 plus 1 by x minus 1. This is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Again, a plus b into a minus b. D by dx of x power 4 minus 1, x power 4 plus 1, x power 8 plus 1 by x minus 1. In the form of a plus b into a minus b. Again, a square minus b square. D by dx of x power 8 minus 1, x power 8 plus 1 by x minus 1. Again, a plus b into a minus b. D by dx of x power 16 minus 1, x power 16, a square value, x power 16 minus 1 by x minus 1. So we apply a plus b into a minus b 4 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time. So this is in the form of u by v. Apply u by v formula. U dash v minus v dash value 1, x power 16 minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. U dash v minus v dash u by v square. Next, multiply with this one. 16 x power 16 minus 16 x power 15 minus x power 16 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole power minus 2. There are two x power 16 terms. 16 minus 1. So 15 x power 16 minus 16 x power 15 plus 1. This answer. This is a x minus 1 whole power minus 2. We get this answer. Given answer is this one. Comparing these two, p value 16, q value 15. So pq equal to p value 16, q value 15, 16 comma 15, 16 comma 15.